Hey, Elena, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I wanted to go over this real quick, your Facebook link. So whenever you are trying to get any of your users or customers to go to Facebook, you have to use what's called the Facebook opt-in, and I'll show you how to do that here. So you can either go up here to Elements and add an element, or you can go to one of these orange sections for the element, and then go ahead and hit plus. All right, you go up here. Just type in Facebook and you'll see the element pop up here, okay? You're gonna wanna go ahead and add that, all right? This is what's necessary in order for them to actually link over to the Facebook, okay? And then you'll have some options here, whatever you have listed, right? So you see Facebook opt-in, so it needs to be selected here. All right. Now, once you do that, go ahead and test that out on your page. All right, once you set this here, go ahead and hit save. All right, so I'll go ahead and save it. All right, then go ahead and go over to your preview of a live page. Just give me a second here. All right, and you'll see it here just like this. So wherever you want to put it. Now you can put any text you want. Right, so there you go. So, and you'll have that button there so that they can link in and log right in, okay? Now, if you're just trying to get them to go directly to a page, you're still going to have to use this. Now, what most people tend to do is grab the button here. Let me see here. Just give me 1 second. I know a lot of people try this. You can try this as well, okay? But the thing you'll see here is that it says that the button is not set, right? So you can try a Facebook link here for your page and see if that works. But for the most part, most of the time, really the only way this is going to work is if it's set to Facebook opt-in, right? And then it will prompt them to this login page, okay? So, and then they'll have to go to your page from there, okay? All right. All right, so I hope that helps answer some of your questions there. And then I'll move on to your ConvertKit issue in another video, okay?